In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gantt chart in Wrike, which can be a fantastic tool for managing your project timelines. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. This area is your navigation hub, where you can find the specific folder, project, or space where you want to build your timeline. Whether you're organizing a team project, managing personal tasks, or working on any collaborative effort, make sure you've selected the right project to ensure everything integrates smoothly. Now that you've selected your project, let's move to the next step. Look up at the top toolbar. Here you'll find a button labeled Plus Add View. This is where we're going to create our Gantt chart. Click on that button and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Gantt chart. Almost instantly, Wrike will transform your tasks into a visual timeline. And trust me, this is where the magic happens. You'll see your tasks represented as bars along a timeline. This visual representation makes it easier to see how your tasks are scheduled. You can quickly assess which tasks overlap, which ones are due soon, and how everything fits together within the project timeline. The real beauty of the Gantt chart lies in its interactivity. Now that you have the chart set up, you can manage and adjust your tasks directly on the timeline. Let's say a deadline shifts. Maybe a team member needs more time to complete their part, or a delay happens in receiving approval. Not to worry. You can simply drag the taskbars along the timeline to reschedule them on the fly. This flexibility allows for dynamic adjustments, ensuring your project stays on track, even when unexpected changes occur. As you move the taskbars, you'll notice that Wrike automatically updates the project timeline. Everything is synchronized in real time, keeping your entire team right in the loop. Plus, you can also modify the lengths of tasks if the scope changes. If a task takes longer than expected, simply click and drag the edge of the taskbar to extend it. Keep in mind that you also have the option to add dependencies between tasks. Just click on the taskbar you want to link, and you can create links that indicate which tasks need to be completed before others can start. This can be incredibly helpful for maintaining an organized workflow and ensuring that your team knows what needs to be done at each stage of the project. In summary, using the Gantt chart in Wrike is both straightforward and highly effective for managing your projects. By selecting your project, adding a new view, choosing the Gantt chart, and managing the tasks through direct interaction, you can create a powerful visual timeline that keeps everything aligned. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide on using the Gantt chart in Wrike valuable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.